The tiger soul. A wolf lives in a forest and it is very peaceful. There were many kinds of animals in the same forest. One day, the elephant was talking with all his friends when a wolf came there. Wolf asked, "What friends are talking about?" Then the other animals say this to him. "A tiger in the forest next to us comes into our forest and kills animals and drinks the blood. If this is the case, not a single animal will survive in our forest." All the animals are drinking gloomily. Then the wolf says to his friends, "Friends, don't be afraid. I'll tell you a trick." Somewhere in his forest, all the animals eat meat together. Then the tiger came to the forest and was happy to see the meat and immediately goes and eats the tiger's meat so that it cannot walk and lies there. All the other animals see it and come to it and attack it. And leave it with a gasp. Then the after breath, tiger says to the wolf, "I will die and become your soul. Then you will kill the animals in the forest and drink the blood, and the fish will die saying, 'This is my curse.'" Then the monkey on top of the tree hears it. So that night the tiger becomes a spirit and possesses the wolf. Then the wolf turned it into a monstrous body like a ghost and used it to kill animals in the forest and drink their blood. A few days pass like that. One day, all the animals decide to go to and in the forest and live. Then the monkey comes there and explains everything that happened. Then they all go to the gorilla in the forest and explain everything that happened. Then the gorilla says, "Today, when it gets dark, I'll go there and use my powers to bring out the tiger who has possessed the wolf." He says that he will free the wolf. That night, the sheep and other animals went to the wolf's den. At the time, all the animals get scared seeing the terrifying appearance of the tiger that has captured the wolf. When the wolf comes out of the cow, the gorilla uses his powers to free tiger's soul from the wolf. The animals in the forest live happily from the next day when the tiger's spirit is gone.